Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you wondering how to retweet someone else's tweet on Twitter and don't know how? Don't worry. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to retweet post on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Suppose this is the post I want to retweet. Simply tap on the third icon. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Retweet. So that is how you retweet posts on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.